this video, we move to this tutorial chapter 4 or 6, the part 1. This can be our quite short video. It's just talking about the basic of the OpenSCAD variables. So if you back to the wiki, the tutorial, we are now in the chapter 6, and we're starting to understand this variables concept. Actually, this is not new for us. We already have quite many samples in the past, the exercise to utilize a variable. But we'll first let's create our new file and save that to, we have now chapter 6. This file is a 2-cylinder with same radius. So that is over chapter 6, part 1. It's only this one model we need to discuss here. So first we have our FA equal to 1, Fs equal to 0.4. Remember, we can also use Fn equal to 100. That give you similar things. So what we want to make is we need our cylinder with our h equal to height, r equal to radius. So we want to draw those, but that means is you need to have the variables first assign and define. So this is the definition, also the assignment with a value. So you put our height to 6 and radius to 5. Oh, we can put that to 10. Then if you draw that, sorry, is if you miss this the semicolon, so you will get error. So now you get this one. So 10, 5. So that is the first variable. And then this, if we say here, the variable you should not change the value afterwards. It's used as constant. So if I change radius again to 10, so no matter this additional assignment before or after you utilize that, it will be used the second assignment to this program. So that means the first assignment is getting no use. And even from after that, if you want to keep use that, and we gave our translate, move this to 3000, then you can see you get another one, but it's also 10. So first one is also changed to 10. So that means is if you want to have our variable just the assigned, ensure you just assign one time. So for this sample, this radius equal to 5 is no use. And also, you see here, you can assign or define a variable even be after you use that. It's no issue from the program, but from the readability part is not good enough. So it's better if you want to assign or define any variable, put that in the very beginning of your program. That means when you debug or troubleshooting your those sentence or code, you can review at the same area, same location, or the portion to have all the variables, and after the variable you use those variables into the different function or different creation of those shapes. So try to use some good practice. So this is the very short and we just recap is what's the basic variables we have already touched base before, and use this the background. We will move to this conditional variable assignment in the next video. See you then.